distributed the prizes. Biking has become a major trend in 2022 and the demand for bikes is huge, whether as an alternative to the increasingly expensive car or for adventure and exercise in nature. The West Jaintia Adventure and Cycling Association decided to take up an initiative, the first of its kind in the district West Jaintia Hills, to conduct the Biking Challenge Chapter 1.0 for those sports lovers. It was successfully conducted at Mintadu yesterday. Here's a report.
The event conducted yesterday comprises XCO women, junior men and elite men. The event was a cross-country off-road mountain bike race format held over undulating, mainly dirt-based circuits that riders must complete several times or laps. The path was steep and slightly slippery on the dry ground off-road.
Yamantahin at ray kina nang smart gintip bakaching lekay sport cycling kam day tang surok day truck day ni. Teka bamut jongi le thong jongi hilo bagi kwa ban yo khana nang ni ngin tha sha ke district kumju shay state biching lekay pair.
All this made it extremely challenging for the bikers, but the course has been crafted to keep things interesting and test the riders who had to push themselves and the machines to the limit. The WJCA was established way back in 2021 with a commitment to develop adventure and cycling sports in the district and to make people aware about the health benefits of cycling and to promote sports or adventure tourism. This event helped in finding out the skilled bikers with potentialities from the district, said President WJACA Biangpor Shilla.
Hai khat sarkar kum omne ba hidon kam hi ya kajing support ne kajing kersan ng sarkar kan ban yo ban support ya kani ga game jongi ya pele kai ma kajing don kam babon.
The event was flagged off by the local MLA Wailat Miki Shila as a chief guest in the presence of Wahech Nong Mintadu Abul Pawa, who delivered the welcome address. For the XCO junior men, there were 8 bikers. For elite men, 11 bikers participated. The president WJACA urged upon the Meghalaya government for support and help in such an event, including a lot of financial assistance, and thanked the local people for the contribution to help organize this event.
Guru ngap wi ba me di giwa lama among drop ticket gi te daw wa perchanga le yo ya cycle lang nga da ong lang ki wa pun kui gam nga hi mem ong wo ku nga tang yo la lang gi nga mot yo le gi ne wani jingsi nyong ni berthai lai chim benta kong do to yang Meghalaya game ni de wada man ta silong amalki dem te de kete sien do cham we yimo we leo nak sedang yin halain op nervous ne pha pujo munung te kamot leo porwe leo cham te biang himo ne pha I cheni pujo bu yo ga to bar ga cycle us ador kam ki tai ne pha cheni yo phi kam ni ya gi nang di yo jam dor gi ye ne pha bu chem gi won experience gi.
Later in the day, the event was again witnessed by Jowai Central MDC Ohai Andrew Shilai as the chief guest, who also contributed the prizes to the winners. It may be mentioned that cycling made its debut at the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022 and has been one of the most active sporting events in the state. And the WJACA, from its small part, tried their best to take up the responsibility of popularizing the sports and supporting the interest of cyclists in general. Bureau Report, DD Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature